Happy Birthday, the Happy Birthday song, even though everybody acts like you should just know it by osmosis or something, is a pretty hard song. It's got some unusual things happening in it. So we're going to take a look at it here. If we do it in the key of C, we can show all the notes on the white keys, which makes it easier, less complicated. Let's start on C and do our 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. And we'll go to the 5 if you count up from the octave below. 5, 1. This song starts on the 5 below. Happy birthday. So it's going 5, 5, 6, 5. And these are the 5 and 6 from below, from the octave below, because this is the octave we're calling home. Happy birthday to you. See that? So we're going to the 1 here, but then we're ending that phrase just below it on the 7. Happy birthday to you. The next line starts the same way but finishes differently. Happy birthday to you. So that's the 2, and then it goes to the 1. So we'll do those 2 lines together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And the 3rd line also starts on the 5 below. Happy, but then it hops all the way up to the octave above. So we're going from the 5 below to the 5 above, right? Because that's our 1. 1, 3, 5. Happy birthday, dear Calvin. I'm a big Calvin and Hobbes fan. So that last line, happy birthday to you, starts on the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday to you. And there we are, finishing up on the 1 like we do with most songs. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Calvin. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday!